Atomic Jane Clothing. I always say Atomic Jane. Atomic Jane Clothing. Don't kill me. I had a lot to do today. So I love all of the dresses. Thank you again. I hope I'm wearing mine properly. I have no stylist today, only myself. But I love all of the outfits that I put together and all the dresses. Thank you again for Atomic Jane Clothing for providing them. So I love this dress. It's apparently a bestseller, and I love the simplicity of it, but yet obviously it's got the one side here and then it's strapless on the other side, and I really love the black with the color of the flowers. It really just sets the pattern of the flowers off. And she has on some little mini gloves that I cannot even fit, that are vintage, true vintage gloves, and they totally match what she's wearing. And her hair I love too. Everybody's hair is kind of, you know, done their own thing at this point. We've got a little bit of wind. I wouldn't say we have a lot. I'm fixing her hair on camera, but we've got a little bit of wind. It's actually nice because with the sun coming through, it is a bit warm. But I love what she's wearing. She's got her earrings, she's got the cat eye glasses, but she's got beautiful makeup on if she's going to take the glasses. I love her sunglasses though. Her makeup is gorgeous, and the whole outfit, including her stockings, which I love. You probably can't see the print, but she's got the line up the back, which I really love. She's got the back seam like I have on today, but I haven't fixed mine yet. And she's got, again, shoes. Everybody has those on today. I have my little flats so I can show you what everybody looks like without me being super, super tall. But this fits her really well. There's just nothing that I would do if I was a tailor to change this. This fits her really well. She's a size medium, and I just love everything about her look besides the wind.